Welcome to the File-AID for Db2 Related Browse and Edit module. Here you will learn about the benefits of using a table relationships file in conjunction with the File-AID for Db2 editor. There is a prerequisite module. If you have not viewed the Relationship Facilitator module, please do so at this time. In addition to discussing the Relationship Facilitator, it also walks through populating the relationships file that is referenced and used in this module. The table relationships in a small order entry system are stored in a relationships file. 3 of those tables are referenced in this module. We will be working with the customers, orders, and line items tables. Let us begin. From the primary menu, we choose option 2 for the editor. We choose the customer table, specify the relationship file, then enter the editor. Next, we enter RE, the related edit command. There are 2 commands allowing working with related tables. RBrowse, obviously for browsing, and, of course, REdit for editing. Both of these will cause File-AID to search the relationship file specified on the previous panel and display a list of any tables related to the current table, the customer table. Here we have selected the order table. We see that another edit session has opened on the chosen table. The original table is labeled as 1 of 2, and the related table is 2 of 2. The first row of table 1 is visible, and the customer number there relates to all of the rows displayed in table 2. We will now execute a jump command to make table 1 the active table. Also, we have scrolled forward in table 1, and the table 2 display automatically changes to match the new customer number. Scrolling forward a second time and a third time shows comparable changes. We now enter another jump command to activate table 2, then enter a related edit command to initiate another related edit session. This time we choose the line item table. This opens the third edit session. The tables are now labeled 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and 3 of 3. The customer number on table 1 matches that on table 2, and the order number on table 2 matches that on table 3. We now enter a jump command, this time with a number, to jump to table 1. With table 1 once again the active table, we will proceed to scroll forward 1 row at a time. Note how the rows are resynchronized as we move through the table, eventually arriving at a point where table 3 has no row. At this time, we jump to table 3 and end that edit session. We have typed in the full command, but typically pressing F3 will do the same. This has given us additional room on the screen to illustrate the insert line command in a dependent table. We insert 3 rows. The result shows that the otherwise empty rows have had their customer numbers populated to match the current value in table 1. This feature holds for both relationship types. As a reminder, any number of tables may be open at the same time via related browse or related edit commands. The maximum and minimum primary commands may be used to change the proportionality of open tables. This concludes this module. Thank you.